Hello everyone, in this video we'll be learning how to use Excel as a calculator. In Excel you can perform addition, subtraction, multiplication and division without using any built-in function. All you need is to use basic operators. All formulas in Excel start with an equal sign. You can perform these math operations using cell references or using constants. So the first one we'll do is cell reference. To add, type in equal sign, click the first cell reference, type in the plus sign, the second cell reference, and press enter. The result appears. Same goes for subtraction. Type in equal sign, click the first reference, the minus sign, second cell reference. For multiplication, type in equal sign, cell reference, shift 8 for multiplication sign, the second cell reference, press enter. For division, type equal sign, your first cell reference, the division sign, the second cell reference, press enter. For power, equals to m raised to power, use shift 6, the second cell reference, press enter. For percentage, equal sign, so use 5, shift 5 for percent, 5% off. You use multiplication sign, then the second cell reference, press enter. So that's how to use cell references to do calculation in Excel. Also, you can use constants. Constants are values you enter into your Excel cell or your formula. So using constants, using the same numbers, type equal sign 10 plus 5, press enter. For subtraction, equal sign 10 minus 5, press enter. For multiplication, equal sign 10 minus 5, press enter. Equal sign 10 divided by 5, enter. For power, equal sign 10 raised to the power 5. So for percentage, the same way, equal sign 5% off 10, enter. So this is how to use Excel as a calculator. Thank you for watching.